yeah, 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 yeah. You got it all going on with your body. You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And it's been super long. It's been like 3 weeks to a month now, but I've been very busy with work. I've been busy with wig making. I've been making a lot of wigs for my clients, but I'm here now with another video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to install clip-ins extensions. So before you watch this video, go watch another video where I'll be showing you how to make your own clip-ins extensions. So I'm gonna be linking the video somewhere here or in the description box, so please make sure you watch that video first before you watch this one, okay? So the hair that I use is by Angels. It's called Afro Bulk and it retails at 440. So this hair is of really good quality. I'm even shocked because this is the second time wearing this hair, and I was able to wash it, I was able to condition it, and it has still maintained some of its curls. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, as much as I enjoyed with my hair. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, you turn on your post notifications, follow me on all my social media pages, and until next time, guys, bye. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to style your clip-ins extensions. So before you watch this video, go watch the other video where I'll be showing you how to make your own clip-ins extensions. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into side section, or rather side part, as you're seeing there. Next, I'm going to be taking one of my extensions, spray some leave-in conditioner. You don't have to spray leave-in conditioner if you don't have, you can use water instead. And then I'm going to follow it up with some water, spray that very well to make sure that all the strands are coated with the mixture of water and the conditioner. So the reason why I'm applying the water and the conditioner onto the hair is because I want the hair to have a more natural texture or a more natural feeling, because I'm going to be attaching the hair onto my natural hair and this is synthetic hair. So once that is done, I'm going to be cutting the unnecessary ends that I don't need, and then I'll be attaching the hair onto my natural hair. So my natural is in a very bad state, so don't judge me on the comment section, okay? I was just doing this video for demonstration purposes. It's not that I was doing this video maybe to go somewhere or anything like that. Yeah, so I'm going to start by sectioning my hair and then attach the clip-ins onto my natural hair. So basically I'm going to be repeating the same steps towards the rest of my hair, of course going in with the leave-in conditioner, add some water, cut the unnecessary ends, and then attach the hair onto my natural hair. So I believe if you have clip-ins extensions, you can rock any hairstyle that you want. And talking about that, I'm going to be having a video very soon showing you different ways on how you can style your clip-ins extensions. So guys, if you're watching this video and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, unafanya nini? Unangoja nini? What are you waiting for, my friend? What are you waiting for, sis? Please click on that subscribe button. It's very free, and who doesn't like free things? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, please make sure you subscribe, you turn on your post notifications, you follow me on Instagram because that's where I am mostly active. Until next time, guys, bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. You got it all going on with your body. You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa.